Oh.
Oh my god.
It's starting to like blizzard.
Oh my god.
We are really in a treacherous situation, but
Okay, go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey guys! So as you can tell from our surroundings, it's pretty fucking dark outside. We plan on going to Edaville today to give you guys a super cute Christmassy vlog, and then it snowed 4 inches. So
Which
now
isn't bad.
it's not bad, but I don't know if it's like a thing with like the lights. Like they have like a festival of lights, they have ice skating, like I don't know like
And
how bad it is.
I called them this morning. I called them this morning at, no, not this morning. I called them like this afternoon at like 1 o'clock. And I was like, are you guys open today? And they were like, yeah. And I was like, okay, I was just wondering because the weather. And Braden's like, oh, where are you going? And I'm just like, to Edaville. And he's like, but they're closed. And I was like, what
Yeah,
the
so
fuck
we were
are
like,
you
no,
talking
they're
about?
not, because they're
So I
open.
didn't get into an argument, but I was like, no, they're not. And I like got mad because, yeah. And so it turns out they are closed.
Okay, anyway, so yeah, we were like, okay, that's really like that's a fucking bummer. Now we don't know what to fucking do. So then we were like, let's go to like a cute downtown like Christmassy place, like cafes, like cute little places like brick, you know what I'm talking about, like that brick flooring downtown
cute,
vibe.
like,
And then we were like, okay, but it's really far away, we don't want to drive, so we were gonna go I'll insert pictures of what it was gonna look like, and it was gonna look so crazy and awesome and cute and beautiful, but we had to take a train,
yeah,
and the
we were
train
gonna take
ticket
a train
was
and we were like,
$25
for one way for one person, so that's 50 for each of us.
and then 100 there and back. Goodbye. So now we are onto a new location, and we will update you guys on what happens.
Yeah.
I've never been on this highway before.
I really want food. Can we get food first?
you want to be the VLOGMAS?
Can I wait?
Guys, it's snowing right now.
Ow! I just ripped all my hair out.
Okay. What am I doing? Can you tie my shoe? Get your wallet, dude. So this is like a cute little view from.
Really little for me. I mean big.
Okay. Oh, this is East Bay. Oh, this is East Bay Grill in Plymouth. If you guys want to visit.
We're going to Panera actually
It's super
after this
cute.
to eat.
Guys, my butt's shivering. Kayla. Oh my god. Guys, this always happens to us. Anytime that me and Aaliyah do anything, something happens, the weather happens, the place closes, and then it's always something. Alright, go.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. Look at this skimpy little cutie. He just caught me.
Cakes and kibble. Can we go in here?
Yeah. Just off your feet. You're gonna get something for Reggie. Get him a little advent calendar.
Deserving of anything.
Oh my god.
What is this? Corona.
Dog beer. That's cute.
Medium. Oh, heard that one.
It smells yummy in here. I like it. I thought it was gonna smell like dogs in here, but it smells good.
Look at their little stuff. Wait, look. Salmon fingers.
Look at this. Look. Look, ready? Watch
This
the
is
bottom.
like bougie
Look at the
dog
bottom,
stuff.
ready?
My dog would not eat any of this.
It's really yummy.
Oh my god. Beef lung chunks.
Lung. Ooh, oh my god.
Bye, thank you.
I would love to work like that.
I know. It must be like so
A place where
annoying.
nobody. Oh, we probably should put the flash on.
Okay.
Guys, this is
But-
this is like a wedding boutique. Look in there. Who always get? Tell me who the fuck right now is getting that thrown in the back.
Me.
Okay, look. Oh, guys, look, a little Plymouth baddie boutique.
I feel like, bro, like I'd actually like kind of love to work there, work at like one of these shops, but it would be like so weird because nobody comes in. Okay, it's starting to heavily snow again. Okay, Kayla thinks she's the star of the show right now. Oh, with my Sheen bag. Put it on Sheen for like $5.
Tequila in the back, batty blunts in the front. Purse 101, first 101. I got the money, make a bro.
Do you see that over there? Where? That thing. There's a bunch of Christmas presents with little lights.
Okay, guys, let's go into the arcade.
Oh shit.
You wanna what?
I want some camera time.
You've had the camera time that's so fucking thick. Okay. No, you don't. Guys, look.
This is so tough. It's like snowing outside. There's like nobody here.
Look at it. They have Labubus. They have Labubu. You can barely see you. Oh. Okay. I actually love squishies so much.
I have that ice cream one, blue and you see the blue like teal? Like I have that
The unicorn?
one right there, yeah.
Oh no, we're just looking around.
Okay.
Oh my fucking god. That was really embarrassing. Somebody like came out from the trenches.
What did she
And
say?
That wasn't a she, Kayla. He was like, "You guys ready to cash out?" No, I haven't even cashed in. But okay.
They didn't like pass out. They thought that we wanted to buy a fry.
Yeah.
Wait.
Kayla, you want to walk further? Can we go get your car?
It's so Christmassy and oh my god, I almost just slipped. Look at this freaking slippy doopy dooba.
I'm gonna throw it. Every ball. Every ball. Okay. We're going to this last restaurant and that's it.
Then we're heading back to fucking reality. I'm gonna film myself because there's people coming. Like, guys, so far this experience has been, I don't know, pretty fucking shit. If that hit me, I would have never been you to Panera. You mess up once and you're not getting Panera. Look, it's the Pride crosswalk. I think I'm gonna film like this because it's easier. Guys, I'm trying to find a place to piss because I'm thinking. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but it's fucking like blizzarding. Guys, I promise it's like blizzarding now. And okay, maybe we should start walking back. All right, let's go.
Oh my god.
It's starting to like blizzard.
Oh my god.
Oh no. It just like makes it really hard to walk this way because now we're facing the snow. Well, no, now we're facing the wind. So it's a lot harder. Peep someone's feet. Can we walk together, please? Oh. I'm gonna walk backwards. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh. Oh. Where's the car?
Like all the way up there. All the way down there.
Do I look cold?
Yeah.
I feel like my nose is about to fall off. I feel like my fingers are about to fall off.
There's a puddle, so I'm not going there.
Pepper Town Sweet. Let's go fucking book a fucking hotel and get warm. And then go to the
Wait.
I'm what happened to
My little poopy.
They promise it can't get worse than this. We're gonna get sick.
Guys,
Oh my God.
if at the end of this video we add in a little clip after a week later.
Oh my God, it's snowing way more.
Yeah, it is.
When you get sick, when you get home, take medicine so it fights off the freaking
This looks like
virus automatically. Okay, let's get on this side.
okay. The cranberry house.
Should we go in there to warm up?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, we'll go on there.
Okay.
Let's just like sit here. Here's...
I love saltwater taffy. It's like my favorite thing in the whole world.
Oh my God, my body's like
There's
regulating.
such like preppy girls working at all these stores.
Yeah, because we're in Plymouth.
They look so preppy.
I mean, like, I would love to like work at a store like this, but then I would also be scared at the same time. Like, if you're alone in a store,
Yeah.
that's so like Massachusetts.
They're around here.
Wicked
Okay, let's
pizza.
not show
They know what they don't know what town we're in. How many towns there are?
Plymouth,
Guys, we drove like an
Massachusetts.
hour to get here. Look, Wicked Pizza.
What does that mean?
It's just like a Bostonian
Okay,
accent.
you wanna start walking?
Yeah.
My jeans are now ruined.
I actually feel better, but not that better. Guys, and we haven't eaten nothing.
All day.
And we've been together for like 5 hours.
We made it to her car. My little poopy. My little poopy. Guys, we made it to Panera.
Guys, we're gonna tell you the horrible events that happen when it's not windy inside. But they're playing such cute music and it's so cute, but we are really in a treacherous situation. But we're just gonna go through with it, okay? Which, does this look good? Tomato basil.
It looks like the thing from Starbucks.
Guys, our food came. And I ordered a little piece of bread and it's literally humongous.
This is what I got.
You're giving me a bite of that. I don't care what you think. Alright, we're gonna go fill up our drinks now. Let's go.
I think I don't know which one to get. These look, ugh.
That looks fucking disgusting. I'm getting something over here. I got cheddar broccoli soup with a whole shit of bread. So guys, I got tomato, bacon, avocado, lettuce, and then we got this to share, and then it comes with the chips and the pickle.
Which I got a free bag of
And I got brisk tea.
And I got this punch. So yeah.
So now we're gonna bust it down, guys. Cheers. Okay, what do you rate your food out of 10?
Fucking good. A 10. I get these like at Walmart because they have like the packs, and I make my mommy up.
I wish we brought our tripod in because now we can't fit this anywhere and you don't want to record because you just want to eat. Okay guys, we're gonna go inside the paper store.
It's your car right beside you.
That's not my car.
It looks the fucking.
Literally completely different.
We're going in the paper store.
Okay guys, we're going to the paper store because it's super preppy and aesthetic in there, and I actually really like the paper store. I hope they have jelly cats that I can look at because I love looking at jelly cats. They have jelly cats. Oh my god. Okay, where's the stuffed animals? Oh my god. Ugh. You haven't seen mini Stanleys? They're so cute. Oh my god. Look at them.
I want this one. I told Brittany I want this one.
I want this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy one.
They're so expensive. What about, look at this. Look at this freaking unicorn. Should we get matching little keychains and put them in our bags?
I want a little peanut.
Should we get matching keychains?
Let me get these ones.
Those are so cute. How much is it? How much is it? $30. Oh.
Yeah, I'll put that right back.
Oh my god, this dog is so cute. You think this is cute? Like, get him. Look at, they have a skateboard. Oh shit.
Look what you did.
I'm gonna be in debt. This one's so cute. The moon.
I'm sorry, this one's so fucking cute. With its big ass head, it's so cute. I want this one.
Look at the sardines. They're so...
31, I'm buying it right now.
You're buying that? That looks so stupid. Oh yeah, do not buy that.
It's cute.
We could get like an off-brand Jellycat keychain. You wanna do that? These are chopped. These are chopped. Ooh, they have unboxings. Remember when I bought those like millions of unboxing things? Is this a Labubu? What the heck is this? This is literally a Labubu. And it's real because it has the tag on the back. How did they get this?
No, it's not.
It's a Labubu, but it's real.
It's this.
Yes, I know, but I'm saying it's like a real...
It's the cup.
It's real. Can we get a fake Labubu? What?
It's so cool.
I'm like a victim of consumerism. 30! Oh my god. Was that a Jellycat?
No, it's just cute.
Oh my gosh, look guys, oh shit. All decked out Grinch shit. Oh yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna catch you when we're done at Paper Store.
Okay, guys, so we went to Five Below, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got.
It's not centered.
Okay. So first, I got this, a little power bank. So when me and Aaliyah go on another trip like this, we don't have to worry about our phone dying because
Who calls it a power bank? Call it a portable charger.
what the fuck it's labeled as. So here it is.
Okay, it's charged.
So guys, this is the power bank I got. It was pre-charged, but who gives a fuck about that? And then I got this. It was $5. It's like an off-brand.
Okay, let's
Actually,
open it.
it's not even off-brand. So it's like a cat one, a cat Labubu. And then can you shut? Okay, and then these are all the options. I think I either want Mono Coolie or Pedal Sweetie or Cotton Puff or Taro Meow. Which one do you want?
I want either the mysteries or I like the plain white cat and the plain gray cat. Snow Meow and Misty Starlight.
Okay. Opening time. This is my first Labubu, guys.
That is not a fucking Labubu, motherfucker.
Oh. Okay, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
Okay, guys. If you guys want to buy this, this is what it's called. It's called Petite Cat Wardrobe.
Petite cat wardrobe.
Ready? I'm gonna look away, and you give me a reaction, okay?
Wait. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Okay,
Ready?
don't look.
I'm trying to grab her keychain.
Okay, don't look.
I'm trying to make it so. Ready?
Okay, go. Oh my ew.
No, Aaliyah, it's so chopped.
Oh?
Guys, I don't like him.
I'll give them to my sister. Her favorite color is green.
No. Should we like hang him up here as like one of our like memories?
Yeah. Hang them up.
I'm taking it down.
People are gonna walk by and be like, what the fuck is that? What the holy fucking
chopped.
fake laboob?
He's so ugly.
I'm so scared.
Okay guys, this is the end of our vlog. Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed our first Vlogmas. We're definitely late to our Vlogmas because it is December 14th when we're filming this, and I don't know when this is gonna be out, but yeah, when this is out, it'll probably be like near the 20th or something. We also have another last Vlogmas planned, so we're gonna do 2 Vlogmases, and then we have a short vlog that's already edited for you, so. But guys, go follow our TikTok channel. It's massholegirls.official, and then we have like cute little clips on there, and then we'll make videos on there too. So let us know if you want, like, what you want us to film next.
I hope this guy like backs up into this tree right here.
Okay guys, pray we make it home safe. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.